Hello friends, I am Malav and I welcome you all in my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to tell you about 10 Udemy courses which are available for free right now, and after that you will also get the certificate of completion. This certificate will help you for your interviews or jobs and for internships etc. You can also attach this certificate with your LinkedIn account, so it's a very good and helpful certificates and help to you for your value addition. So without wasting any sort of time, let's just begin. First course is on MS Excel. In this course, you will learn how to do analysis with the help of MS Excel and with the help of linear regression. So in this course, you will learn how you can solve the real life problem using linear regression techniques. In this course, you will learn how to create a end-to-end DI project. You will learn how you can interpret the results of the linear regression and translate them into actionable insight. So this is a 2.5-hour course available for free for one day, and it comprises of 27 lectures. Now let's move to our next course. Our next course is on advanced sale analysis. In this course, you will learn how you can do the decision making with the help of Power BI. In this course, you will learn how you can create advanced sale reports, how you can create virtual relationships, how you can measure branching, etc. So this is a good 4-hour course available for free for 2 days, and it comprises of 44 lecture, and after that you will also get the certificate. So now let's move to our next course. Our next course is on accounting. In this course, you will learn how to do double entry accounting. In this course, you will learn how you can record the financial transaction. You will learn how to track the inventory using FIFO, LIFO and weighted average methods. You will also learn how to calculate depreciation. You will also learn how you can implement internal control system. So this is a very big 115 hours course available for free for just one day. In this course, you will also get 471 downloadable resources. This is a very good course and very big course. So you after this course you will get the certificate, as well as you will also get the good understanding of accounting. This course is comprises of nearly 700 lectures, so very good course to get enrolled for. Now let's move to our next course. Our next course is for bloggers. In this course, you will learn how to create a passive income with Blogger, how to reach to the more audience, how you can link your website with AdSense and start making money, how you can transfer your passion to website and share your ideas to the world. So this is a good course for just about 1 hour and comprises of only 5 lectures, and after that you will also get the certificate. Now let's move to our next course. Our next course is on LinkedIn marketing. In this course, you will learn the secrets and strategies for LinkedIn marketing. In this course, you will learn how you can upgrade to a premium LinkedIn account and get to the more targeted leads, how you can generate leads effectively. In this course, you will get 20 lectures, so 1.5 hours, very short course available for free for 2 days. Now let's move to our next course. Our next course is on focus mystery course. In this course, you will learn how you can increase your concentration, increase your productivity, how you can be more focused, be more concentrated, how you can train your brain to be more effective, how you can control social media distraction. So this is a good 27 hours course available for free for just 22 hours. After that you have to pay certain amount of money to buy this course. This course is also comprises of 551 lectures along with 11 downloadable resources, and after that you will also get the certificate of completion. Now let's move to our next course. Our next course is on Adobe Illustrator. In this course, you will learn with 8 practical projects that how to create a fantastic designs and projects with the help of Adobe Illustrator. This is a 5-hour course available for free for one day, and this course is comprises of 88 lectures, and after that you will get the certificate. Once you enroll for the course in a one day, then you will get the lifetime access for the course. Now let's move to our next course. Our next course is on JavaScript, Bootstrap and PHP. In this course, you will learn how to create a mobile responsive web page using Bootstrap. You can master client side and server side web development. You will learn how to create a client side and server side validation input form. So this is a 6-hour course available for free for 2 days and comprises of 115 lectures. So now let's move to our next course. Our next course is on how to write and publish a research paper. In this course, you will learn how you can write a professional research paper and improve your writing skill, and by that you will get the freelancing projects and you can earn from it. So a good course to earn passive income. In this course, you will learn how you can improve your graphic skills to design newsletters, PPT and logo, etc. You can learn how you can identify the target audience for your content. You will learn how you can make the website for that, and you will earn from that. So this is a good course comprising of 176 lectures, and this course is about 10 hours and available for free for one day. So I know friends, I have just included 9 courses because the one course is expired. So I will try to get more courses in my next video. Till then, please stay tuned to my channel and subscribe to my channel so you will never miss my any video. So stay at home, keep learning. Thank you so much.